For today's episode, we had a really interesting question from Tessa, who's a recent engineering graduate. This is going to be answered over 2 episodes because there are 2 very important questions here. First of all, let me give you her question. Since graduation, through multiple companies, I have been struggling to get opportunities in my career that actually qualify as engineering experience. It is extremely frustrating, especially because my male counterparts are constantly given design work while I am given what I would consider administrative tasks. I have expressed this frustration to multiple bosses and others in my office that influence the work that is given to me, and the situation still has not changed. I had even emphasized my need to do more design work because of my need for experience to apply to sit for the PE exam, which I know is a mutually beneficial milestone for the company and myself. How else do I approach the situation so that I am heard and taken seriously? Do I need to accept that the core values of the company do not reflect my own and find a job elsewhere? How do I make sure that the other young female engineers are not going to receive the same treatment? This is a really interesting and intricate question. There's 2 questions here. I'm going to answer one in this episode and one in the next episode. The one that I'm going to answer in this episode is, how do you get the experience you need to sit for the PE exam? The question that I'll answer in the next episode is, what do you do if your employer is not giving you the kind of work that you want? So let's talk about the PE exam. In order to get your professional engineering license, you need to have design experience in most US states. So how can you ensure that you get that right experience? The first thing right off the bat is to make sure of that when you're getting hired. When a company is hiring you, you have to make it blatantly clear that you want to get experience towards the PE exam. You also need to be extremely clear on the guidelines in your state. Some states are much more strict on design work as opposed to any other kind of administrative aspect of design work, field work, or other associated tasks. Those will not fly. You need to be clear to your company that you want to get engineering career experience for the PE exam. You have to understand exactly what that means in the state you are in, and the last step that I would take in this situation is I would talk to a handful of engineers that already passed the PE exam and ask them about the kind of work that they submitted on their application. This was a huge help for me when I was preparing for my PE application. I was able to talk to 2 or 3 engineers and understand what the state accepted and what the state wouldn't accept. It's different sometimes than just reading the guidelines. This is actual proven experience. In the next episode, talking with your company when they're continuously giving you the wrong kind of work, the work that's not going to help you get to where you want to go. I hope you found this episode of Engineering Career TV helpful. Remember, you can go to engineeringcareercoach.com/ask and submit your question. This show is for you, and I want you to take advantage of it. You can find all of the episodes characterized by topic at engineeringcareer.tv. If you would like to discuss issues like this and other engineering career goals and challenges, I recommend you join the Engineering Mastermind, an online support community we have created for engineers at theengineeringmastermind.com. For the price, you can't get more specific, targeted engineering career advice and assistance. The Engineering Mastermind is not about helping you survive as an engineer. It's about helping you thrive. This is Anthony Fasano, author of Engineer Your Own Success. Please subscribe to this show on YouTube or iTunes, and I'll see you next week.